Are you ready to revolutionize your business? Introducing ARSource, the industry leader in cutting-edge mobile app development and web design. In today's fast-paced world, staying ahead of the competition is crucial. That's why ARSource is here to help you soar to new heights. With a team of expert developers and designers, we specialize in creating stunning mobile apps and visually appealing websites tailored to the top 10 industries in the United States. From manufacturing to healthcare, retail to finance, we've got you covered. What sets us apart? Let's explore the key reasons why ARSource is your go-to partner for mobile app development and web design. First, our unparalleled expertise. With years of experience and a proven track record, we understand the unique challenges and opportunities your industry presents. We'll work closely with you to develop a customized solution that addresses your specific needs and objectives. Next, we stay ahead of the curve with cutting-edge technologies. Our mastery of augmented reality, virtual reality, machine learning, and more allows us to deliver immersive, interactive, and unforgettable user experiences on both mobile and web platforms. Third, seamless integration. Our mobile apps and websites seamlessly integrate with your existing systems, empowering you to streamline operations, boost productivity, and enhance customer satisfaction. Say goodbye to outdated processes and hello to a more efficient future. Finally, our customer-centric approach. At ARSource, your success is our priority. We listen attentively to your ideas, provide regular updates throughout the development process, and offer ongoing support post-launch. Your satisfaction is our utmost priority. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to reshape your industry. Contact ARSource today for a free consultation, and let's embark on an innovative journey together. Call us now at 9196168028 or visit our website at https://arsource.online. ARSource, revolutionizing the way businesses thrive in a digital world.